A lichen is a very interesting new concept in controlling food intake. So it's a mix of oat oil and palm oil, a very small amount of fat that's been structured in a very special way so that it actually stimulates the hormones that control your food intake and damps down your hunger. So if you use it 2 to 3 hours before a meal, it can reduce the food intake at that meal by about 20% and help control your weight.
It's very important to achieve a healthy weight because we want to reduce your health risk. And we know increasing midriff fat and increasing weight is directly related to heart disease and diabetes, so achieving a healthy lifestyle is very important. A lichen, which is only a very small item, it's actually a very small volume, a lichen is used to facilitate with your diet by helping you achieve your weight loss goals. So adding a lichen to your meals, but particularly 2 or 3 hours before that danger time where you might start to feel hungry, a lichen will help you by helping you be less hungry. A lichen is low in calories. The purpose of a lichen is to assist with the weight loss journey by reducing that feeling of hunger.
So people use a lichen to supplement their efforts to lose weight. So you have to want to lose weight and you have to want to control your food intake. So you can't expect a lichen to do anything magical. But if you're focusing on reducing weight and controlling your food intake, a lichen will help you by reducing your food intake at the subsequent meal 2 to 3 hours after you've taken it by something of the order of 20%, which is a very significant food intake reduction. A lichen's been studied in 4 separate studies. Most of them come from Ireland, interestingly. They certainly show in acute studies, one-day studies, that if you take a lichen 2 to 3 hours before a meal, you'll reduce your food intake by about 20%. And there's been one long-term study in people that have already lost weight, and they were then taking a lichen versus a control product for 6 months, and they found that those people that took the lichen regularly as instructed did not regain any of the weight that they'd lost, whereas people on the control product, which was a similar amount of fat but not structured in a special way, regained about 3 kilograms in weight.
It's very important to achieve a healthy weight because we want to reduce your health risk. And we know increasing midriff fat and increasing weight is directly related to heart disease and diabetes, so achieving a healthy lifestyle is very important. A lichen is very low in calories, and a lichen used with a healthy eating plan and an exercise regime will certainly help you on your journey of weight loss.